Malta għandha waħda mill-aqwa ranges fid-dinja. Dan kien kliem il-Kowċ Awstraljan Adam Vella fejn saħaq li minkejja li dawn il-faċilitajiet għadhom ġodda u li sa issa Malta għadha qatt ma ospitat kompetizzjoni ta' dan id-daqs, l-organizzazzjoni kienet tajba ħafna u li t-tim tiegħu taħares il-qudiem sabiex fil-futur jerġgħu jiġu Malta l-sessjonijiet ta' taħriġ.
It's absolutely fantastic. Got to be one of the best ranges in the world at the moment. The technology, the screening, everything's just fantastic. And hopefully, for myself and our team, maybe in the future when we're coming over to Europe, because it's such a long way from Australia, we can maybe drop in for a training camp.
Jan Ketzel, wieħed mill-Organizzaturi barranin ta' din it-Tazza tad-dinja, faħħar l-infrastruttura li għadha kif iżżanżnet għal dan il-kampjonat. Huwa jinsab fiduċjuż li b'esperjenza miksuba mill-Organizzaturi Maltin f'dan il-kampjonat, fil-futur Malta se terġa' tintgħażel biex tilqa' din it-tazza tant prestiġjuża.
Yes, in general I have to say it was a good organization, especially for the first time of a big competition like this. It is not easy to know all details, which is coming over the years with the contact of more competitions. In general I have to say it was very good.